Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Hedera Hashgraph. Today I would like to again recall this very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Hedera Hashgraph has formed on the weekly time frame, and we will also take a look at this falling wedge pattern. And right now Hedera is again reached the resistance of this falling wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this very big bullish harmonic reversal setup that Hedera Hashgraph has formed on the weekly time frame, and this is a big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. And by the way, before this, I also shared another pattern that was another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley that was formed back in July 2021 when we had a very bearish trend and the price line entered the buying zone. We had at that time the 50 simple moving average support on the weekly time frame, and our sell targets were from 24.8 cents and goes to 38.36 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well and even rallied beyond these sell targets which I defined as per this harmonic reversal move. Now, this is another harmonic Gartley pattern that the price line has formed and I have shared with you. And you can see I shared this pattern for my members at the Patreon on 4th of Feb when the price line completed the final leg, and even we were moving here at 24.7 cents. Right now we are moved slightly more down, and we also have a support of the 100 simple moving average in the buying zone. Previously we had the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. This time we have a stronger support of the moving average, and that is a 100 simple moving average. Now if I play the chart, then you can see that the price line has slightly moved down. Right now we are at 22.47 cents. Now the sell targets of this Gartley pattern are starting from 37.5 cents and goes to 50.65 cents. Now let's take a look at this live daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line has formed this falling wedge pattern before this previous rally in the month of July when I shared the previous Gartley. Then it also formed another down channel at that time, and after breaking out we had a very huge rally. This time it has again formed another falling wedge pattern. And here we also have a very strong support at 18.5 cents. You can see the price line used its support level here and tested the support here as well. And here it was breaking as a resistance, here as a support, and here as a support. So it is quite a long-term support, therefore the price line is not able to break it down. And we can also use it at this level as our stop loss if we will trade this wedge pattern after the breakout. Now, even though we have formed a very big harmonic bullish reversal move, but for the safer side or to safe play, we can also wait for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern and then place our buying orders. And I'm expecting a move like we had previously after the month of July when we had this breakout from the down channel. We had a very big rally, and after breaking out this wedge, we can expect another rally. The target for this wedge can be the top of this wedge, that is approximately at 47 cents. And you can also follow these targets. That is as per the harmonic reversal pattern, 37.5 cents and goes to 50.65 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.